Tinkerbell has joined the Happy Planner family and it's launching next week for the spring release on Thursday, March 16th. I cannot wait to show you this stuff. Actually, I can't wait to look at it because I haven't really looked at it yet. I got a big box from the Happy Planner. You can check out my playlist with my other flip throughs, unboxings, and all that for the spring release. It's a really good release. I'm very excited for it. There's so much I want to purchase myself too. I have an affiliate link down in the description box and would really appreciate it if you'd use that link if you plan to purchase, just because it does help me out and it's part of my income. And then I can continue to do this for you guys. So thanks. I have some codes for you as well. I will put them here on the screen. Don't forget to use those codes because it will save you some money when you shop. Okay, let's take a look at these products. So with this release, there's Tinkerbell and there's Winnie the Pooh and Tigger and stuff. So yeah, those are the Disney products releasing this time. First, we have some plastic envelopes here. And I don't think these are all the Tinkerbell products. It's just what I received from the Happy Planner. So there's other people doing flip throughs and stuff, so you can check those out. I don't know what else is available, but here's what I have. So I have 3 plastic envelopes here. Find your wings and follow your heart. Happiness looks good on you. And then here's a bunch of Tinkerbells, like laughing and just hanging out. So these plastic envelopes are great for just little bits and pieces. You can put extra like die cut stickers in here or receipts or like little notes to yourself. I don't know what you need, but this one is for a mini planner. So it's just going to snap in like that. And then these would be for the classic or the big. Now let's look at my favorite part, the stickers. First, I'm going to check out this large sticker book. So if you're new to the Happy Planner, we have a value pack sticker book. We have the large sticker books. We have some smaller sticker packs and sometimes mega sticker books. The large ones are great because they're like, well, large, but they're bigger than, you know, your typical stickers. And I love the big stickers because I use a big planner and I love lots of giant stickers. So always excited to get these. Also, excuse my voice. I'm sick. It's not COVID, but I have a cold. And after Go Wild, I'm not surprised. But yeah. Also, if you're new here, my name's Mary Ellen, by the way. So thanks for stopping by. Check out my other videos. Yeah. Subscribe. Okay. So this first page is on clear sticker paper. And we have Tinkerbell in all her glory. Happiness looks good on you. Don't just follow your dreams, chase them. The time to be happy is now. Look at all of those sparkles. I love sparkles. Faith, trust, and pixie dust. This is gold foil, like line drawings with lots of sparkles too. This is on paper. Happiness looks good on you. Don't just follow your dreams, chase them. Faith, trust, and pixie dust. Find your wings and follow your heart. Think happy thoughts. Leave a little sparkle everywhere you go. And then we have some of these green sparklies too. Little bits of sparkles. I love putting sparkles in my planner. I love either drawing them or putting stickers in because they fill up like little spaces. And there's so many in this. I knew there would be. So these are on clear, more gold foil for you. Also on clear, lots of sparkles. Look at these gold sparkles here. She's so cute. This is on paper. On this one, we have some green foil, like a light green foil, which is really pretty. The time to be happy is now. Happiness looks good on you. Lots of those sparkles too. I'm going to say sparkles a lot in this video. I apologize in advance. So these ones have a green background. So when you take them off, they're going to have that green background on it, which is kind of fun. And when you have something with a colored background, you're also going to have this whole page as a sticker. So don't forget, you can cut out little strips or little circles or hearts out of this paper. So that's going to match the rest of the stickers in your spread. So don't feel like you can't use the whole thing. Ooh, look at that. So that's like a really pretty green foil here. More of those quotes. And this one's a little bit different because it's like sketchy. Not sketchy like bad, but like sketchy like, you know, scratchy, sketchy drawing. She thinks something's super funny. I don't know what she's laughing about, but yeah, she's really cute. Lots of sparkles again. Look, we have letters. Tinkerbell letters. These are on clear. And they're big. Like, I love this size of a letter. It's not too big. Some of the letters are giant on those Mambi sticks, and some are really small. This is a really good size letter. And some little tinks here. And more little tinks. Okay, this is on clear. More quotes and more bigger Tinkerbells. You can do Tinkerbell spreads for a really long time. So cute. There's no foil on this one. It's just the green sparkles. That's adorable. I really like that sticker book. Okay, let's go on to the value pack. We're going to see some repeats in here from that one. They're just going to be smaller. Okay, so we have gold foil on this page. The gold foil is sort of matte, so it's not too shiny. So they're, you know, all gold foils aren't equal, believe it or not, at least in my mind. So this is more like a matte finish. Find your wings and follow your heart. So a lot of the same quotes. Find happiness in the journey. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I love the black with like the pops of color there. So cute. Think happy thoughts. Sprinkle a little happiness. Fly wherever your heart takes you. I love that. And then these to-do list strips have like little sparkles on them for your check marks. I think that's adorable. We have some washi strips here. They're like this big. And then these ones are squares. So I know it's hard to see with the white, but they're all going to be like, not squares, sorry, rectangles. They're box stickers. Some line drawings here with that gold foil. Really elegant. I love these. These are individual. So pretty. I love the greens in here. I love all the different greens. And then these are all triangles. There's so much you can do with triangle stickers. I just made a spread in my journal. Do I have it right here? No, it's in the other room. But I made a spread in my journal and I used triangle stickers. I put like 3 in a row for 3 wins of the week. And then I wrote next to them. But there's so much you can do design-wise and stuff. So these decorative box stickers are great for like layering boxes on top of them. Also love these strips in the middle. Look, they took the words right out of my mouth. So they layered, you know, layered their boxes on top of these boxes. So you can do that. Like you could do 3, you can do 1 right here. You can do like this, you know, whatever, but they're great for layering or by themselves. We have some headers here today. Important, get it done. These are cute. Look at these. You can write your plans on those little brush squigglies with Tinkerbell on them. Cute. Ooh. I like that. Really cute color scheme. I love the addition of that soft pale yellow because, you know, I love yellow, so I love that. A lot of these ovals or whatever they are, pill shapes. So cute. You could do a whole spread with just like all of these. It would be so cute. Okay, so we have some double boxes here, weekend plans, and then these ones are this size, which is actually really nice. You can put your 3 priorities, or you could put like 3 things you need to buy, or 3 chores for the day, whatever. And then we have some of these circles over here. Oh, so we have some holographic foil in here as well. And at first I thought it was silver, but it's not. It's holographic. And that's really cool. So they're just strips. Ooh, look at these. I can do so much with these strip stickers. They're so cool. Okay, so you've got a bunch of boxes here. What does this do? Okay, so this is like this. Let me see what this one is like. See, I tear apart, not tear apart. I wreck my, not wreck, but you know what I mean. I mess up my new sticker books, so you don't have to. Okay, I guess it's just like the way it's cut. So, you know, she's hanging out on the box, but she comes off the box a little bit, so there needed to be the white on there. I can't cut right on her, you know. I also love the addition of that really soft gray in there. So cute. Aw, that's cute. More of those. Lots of box stickers in here, which is nice. We have some arched boxes. You can always cut these down if you don't want the arch on there. 2 pages of that. Letters that are smaller than the other letters, but still a nice size, bigger than usual, which I like. Lots of little tinks there. And then some line drawings. These are on clear sticker paper in black, and then you have them also in the gold. These are on clear sticker paper. You can make her fly all around like your date numbers at the top of the page. That would be cute. And these are holographic sparkles and gold sparkles. You guys, I have sparkles for years now. Awesome. Look, more sparkles. Yes. Green sparkles, gold sparkles. I can't keep saying it because it's hard to say that over and over again. Sparkles. But yeah, love that. And there's so many pictures of Tinkerbell in here. Super cute. So sparkly. This is so fun. And then you have a page of your quotes. These are on clear, so were those. A page of quotes and more sparkles. More sparkles. You could do a spread of just sparkles. That would be weird, but you could do it. And you could leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Gold foil. Sparkles. Look, tink. Yeah, that's it. So super cute stickers. And the envelopes and everything. So check out this new Tinkerbell collection. And don't forget affiliate link. Don't forget March 16th. And don't forget discount codes. All right. There's going to be a playlist in the description box of all my other videos. You can check those out if you want. And have a good day, everybody. Bye.